What is up, Pyros? We're about to check out Neon eggshells. These are from Biggs. There you go. Take a look right here. The color on top. Neon eggshells maximum load. There you go. So I'm going to take this apart and get a little closer look. I'll be right back. Alright, so here we go. The Neon eggshells, you see we got orange. We have a lime, not just green, it is lime. We have a lemon. We have neon eggshells as the purple. And we have a sea blue. And we have pink. So I'm guessing these are going to be like a peony look to them. That's what I'm thinking, right? As you guys think? I don't know. I have never seen them personally or shot them, so it'll be something different for me. These are from Big Fireworks. These are 4-inch canisters. Neon eggshells. As we have sea blue, lime, purple, pink, lemon, and orange. Let's go see what these got. 4-inch cans, Big Fireworks, neon eggshells. Big's neon shells.
2 at a time?
Yeah, like almost like it was an orange. Yeah.
Ready?
Only the birdies like you. I saw like a yellow. It must have been like the yellow of that lemon.